welcome you specially to today's weekly analysis. So quickly I want to show you what I'm seeing in the markets and what to expect in the coming week. Okay, so now you find that DXY gave a consistent bearish move up until this retracement, and I'm spotting huge liquidity on this point, of which I'll be expecting that if DXY for any reason would retrace bearish, it should get to this consequence encroachment, which is a very huge order block from a very high time frame. Okay, so if there's going to be any bearish retracement, it's going to do like this up to at least a certain level before the liquidity will fully push it. Okay, so but currently DXY is on a bullish trend. Remember, the trend is your friend, so do not anticipate DXY as bearish. Okay, there's going to be a bearish retracement, but it's clearly bullish and it's coming to this liquidity side, of which when it gets there, then I'm going to be giving updates on whatever DXY would do at this liquidity side. So because of that, I'm going to be looking at for the bearish moves on GU and EU. Okay, of which I already told you is going to retrace bearish, right? So once it retraces bearish, I'm going to confirm this bullish entry, but I will not go long because DXY is completely bullish. Okay, so I'm going to go short on this buy to this point. Okay, of which once price gets here, I'm going to go long bearish up to okay, but once price has tested this point, I'm going to go long bearish from here to this liquidity point, and I'm going to be targeting this next liquidity. So watch out for the updates. It's going to be on the free channel, it's going to be on the VIP channel. So but I'll be looking for the bearish move. The only bullish counter trade I'm going to make, it will be short, and it will be on this bullish retracement. Why I would love to take it is because the gap on the bullish retracement is much. Okay, I can see up to 29 to 30 pips. Okay, so I may want to catch that, or if for any reason the Asian session moves price, which I believe and I'm suspecting it will, moves price up to this point, then I may not go with that buy, because I do not trade the Asian session with the GU, only for specific reasons, especially if I get a confirmation maybe during New York that may run into the next day. That's the only time I trade Asian session, but I do not go into a trade during Asian sessions. Reason because that's not my best time for the country where I am. My spread may be much at that time, and I may not be able to take entries at good price at that time. So because of that, if the Asian session moves GU to this point, then I'll be going bearish. Okay, Monday morning during the London or the New York afternoon session. So quickly let me show you what EU is pointing. Of course, it works almost the same way with GU. So like I already told you, if for any reason there's a bullish move, I may just buy EU for an extent. Okay, but I don't want to buy EU from this point because there's a liquidity grab here. So what I will look at for is a complete confirmation first, otherwise my EU will be for a bearish confirmation, and I'm seeing a big opportunity on EU, of which I'll be expecting to go this to this liquidity point. Okay, so the opportunity on EU should be able to give us at least up to okay, oh sorry, this is Ethereum. I'm sorry, that's not EU, that's Ethereum. I'm surprised because EU has huge liquidities ups and down, and it's not giving any clear directional bias. So well, like I told you already, buying to an extent for the retracement, and then finding out for the bearish move, which will come to this level. So it's still in order. So EU might give us up to 88 pips next week. So you can plan with that and see how you will succeed with that. My time is almost up, but let me show you gold. the time is short. I think I may need to extend the time. So I needed to extend the time so I can talk to you a lot more on gold. So now what gold did was gold did a little bit of balancing, but it came to a consequence encroachment, and gold is currently swinging. So if you look at let's look for 30 minutes. I want to see the downside liquidity. Alright, so what I'll be doing with gold, because of this clear trend, I'll be waiting for the retracement which may get to this point, then I'll go bearish on gold up to this liquidity. Otherwise I will not be buying gold until I see what happens to this upside liquidity. So gold may give me let me see, gold may give me some reasonable move, okay, at least up to, it should be up to at least up to 80 pips as well. So that's what I'm going to be looking out for the coming week. Okay, then I'm going to give update on crash. Okay, I haven't gotten any update on crash because I do not buy crash knowing that it spikes downwards, so I only sell crash. So the only thing I do is I wait for price to get to this liquidity side, because anytime I try to buy crash, this is not like Forex. It's a simulation of what Forex looks like, so you cannot really 100% predict synthetics like that. So it's better you obey certain rules so you are not victimized. Okay, it's not like when you say, oh, the liquidity is fully, the liquidity may be manipulated, because this is not the Forex market. Okay, so I'm going to wait for price to get to this liquidity, and from there I'll be looking out for my bearish confirmation before I get an entry. And the same thing goes to boom 500. For boom 500, okay, so I think I'll be buying boom right now. I'll be buying boom right now because this is a swing. Okay, so in case you want to buy, you can buy. So this will be the entry. Sorry, let me quickly just buy so that I do not miss the opportunity. Okay, so for those of you that want to buy, you can buy. I'm going to post the update on the group immediately. So this will be the entry. We're going to buy from here. Sorry please, I'm trying to buy with my device because this is swing, and it's a good opportunity to buy, because that liquidity there is clearly pointing the buy. I may not be able to tell you all the reasons why we're buying, but this is not a mentorship class. This is just an analysis session. So now this is the reason why I'm thinking we should buy. There is a liquidity here and there's another liquidity here. These liquidities will buy it up to the upside, and it's bringing it up to this liquidity side. Now it may induce, but the reason why I'm not thinking it will induce is that this is not a trend. Okay, it's a swing, and for swing like this or range, let's say range of liquidity, you buy when it's low, you sell when it's high, and because it's on this liquidity side, I think it's a good place to buy. So the November competition for the Quaco markets is up, so and because of that I'll be trading synthetic. For that I'm going to post update on volatility 25, of which I've not done in a very long time. Okay, because that's what I'm going to be trading. Volatility 25, 75, 100, jump 25, 75, 100. I took a break on them because it can be very stressful trading all of these things all at the same time. But because I'm going to be participating in that November competition, and I encourage anybody who wants to participate, and I want to use the synthetics for that, I'm going to post an update on these synthetics. Okay, so expect updates, but remember only 25 volatility 25 and volatility and jump 25 that will be posted on the free channel. So it's only those on the VIP that will get 25, 75, 50 and 100. Okay, both for volatility and jump 50. I haven't shown you anything on fundamentals, but please make sure you check your fundamentals very well. Don't trade the news, okay? Be careful when market is very volatile. Make sure you spend some time to study this week, do your back testing, participate in our VIP.